Hey, it's Ivan here. I wanted to share with you how I solved my own problem of having a system page on Kajabi which I do not want to be available live or that I want to use in order to redirect elsewhere. So basically, if you go to website and pages, you would notice that you've got pages that says system. Now these pages are uneditable, you can't make them draft and so on. For example, in the blog, what happens is that I don't have a blog on Kajabi. My blog is on WordPress. So I don't actually want to recreate this blog on Kajabi. So I'm stuck with this page basically now, that if somebody ends on this page, .com/blog, there is nothing in it, there's not going to be anything in it. What do I do with this page? So I'm going to show you. What I've done is I've created a software tool that generates a very simple piece of code, an HTML code, that you can use to redirect the pages. So basically, instead of people going to .com/blog and ending up on this empty page, I want them to end up on my actual blog page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on copy of this particular URL, which is my actual blog. I'm going to go to my software, LinkRedirect.io, okay? And I'm going to paste it in right here. Now I'm going to click on generate code, copy the code, go back to Kajabi, go to blog, and I'm going to add a element. Okay, now that element is simply going to be, or add a section. That section is simply going to be a custom code. I'm going to click on add, and then you'll see it right here. I'm going to click on it, and then you'll see the code here on the left. I'm going to paste in what I got from here, from the link redirect, right? Now I'm going to click on save. And now I'm going to refresh this page, the .com/blog, and I want you to see what happens. I'm going to reload it. And it's going to automatically redirect me to the actual page. So if somebody lands on my website, for example, on the blog of the actual Kajabi website, they're going to actually end up automatically on my WordPress website, basically. Okay, so there you go. That's what I've done. If you want to use this tool, you can go to LinkRedirect.io. Now, there's other use cases as well for this particular tool. It's not the only use case. I also used to do other things like share an affiliate link and do the exact same thing. So if I want to promote Kajabi, it will be .com/Kajabi, and I will put the affiliate link here for Kajabi. So hope that helps. Share it with your Kajabi friends. If you got value from this, leave a comment below as well, so I know that it helped you. And that's about it. This software is totally free to use, and go ahead and try it now. Thanks. Bye.